Welcome everyone, and thank you very much for joining me here on IPO Market Watch, which is also called Bull Market Watch if you are over on my Discord. And if you want to join us, the link will be in the comment section below and in the description of the video. Also, if you are new, consider hitting the subscribe button and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you don't want to miss out on stock ideas that maybe might fit your trading strategy or maybe not. I don't know. I mean, I'm just going to share with you guys all the time here new companies going public or current companies that are public on the stock market that I believe might be a buy or not. You know, there's a lot of things going on. One of the YouTube videos that I had done was for ticker symbol VST. It was trading at $25.28, as you can see right here. Here's a screenshot of my YouTube video. Here's me talking about it. Here's the thumbnail. The thumbnail said, "Let's make money." And I talked about how VST was a long-term buy and hold. Well, VST today is trading at $122 US. About a month ago, I did another YouTube video, which was for JD.com. Ticker symbol JD. Here's a screenshot of my YouTube video, title, etc. The stock was trading at 26.08. And JD right now in pre-market, as I am recording this video, is trading at $35.54. That's almost 10 bucks a share up from a month ago. And of course, Aurora Innovations at $2.64. My YouTube video that I did. All right, so 264 YouTube video. Where is Aurora today? It's at 653. How about Oscar Health, OSCR? Here's my YouTube video, a screenshot when it was trading, as you can see right here, at $4.97. I said that this is a, it's going to have big future catalysts, as the title says, and I think it is a good stock to buy. The stock right now, $21.69. So maybe, guys, that's the reason why you should subscribe to the YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's get to the stock that I want to cover in this video, which is a very awesome and intriguing stock, because this company was attacked by short seller Muddy Waters 2 years ago. There was a big attack on them. And yeah, we'll get to it. We'll address all of that and what I think about this stock today. So looking over at the dark pool, guys, which is one of the most useful tools any investor can have, I can guarantee you that. I'm not saying you should join my Discord, because we have in my Discord dark pool for the members to use, which is very powerful. But even if you don't join my Discord at all, if you can get yourself to have access to dark pool, I think it helps. It's a powerful tool. Looking at the dark pool, guys, I am seeing lately, September 25th, for example, there was a $16.7 million buy for ticker symbol DLO. And that's the stock we're going to talk about today. At $7.99 is when they bought this. Then there was another buy at $7.99, $16.7 million. That was September 25th. Then there was another one on September 25th, $16.7 at $7.99. And then there was also at $7.98 for $12.3 million on September 24th. Today, September 26th, though, and in pre-market hours, as I'm recording the video, the stock is at $8.01. So we see that the past 5 days, let's say, there's massive dark pool buying. Massive. There's no selling in the dark pool for DLO, but buying only. And that drew my attention. So I started to look into this, and I feel, guys, that, and we'll get to the short attack that they had, short report that they had 2 years ago. But I feel like, you know what? They're probably near bottom now. The company offers paying solution in which the businesses get paid for their products and services through various payment methods, including international and local cards, online bank transfers, debit cards, cash, alternative payment methods. It also provides payout solution used for the merchants so they can scale out their operations, and it serves its products to e-commerce, streaming, ride-hailing, financial services, advertising, software as a service, travel, e-learning, anywhere that you're basically accepting payments. As of today, the customers that are using DLocal are the following: Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, Shopify, Spotify, Netflix, Uber, Google, HBO, and many more. So like I said 2 years ago, there was a short report. It was muddy waters. Sometimes they're right, sometimes they're kind of wrong. Because at the end of the day, Muddy Waters makes money only after going after companies and shorting them. That's basically it. That's their livelihood. So they're not always going to be right, but the point is to get the stock down, and they'll make money. When the stock was trading right around here, Muddy Waters, here's the CEO, came out with a short report. The stock never recovered. All right, it never recovered, and is now trading at $7.99, $8.01 in pre-market. They accused them of contradictory total payment volume reporting, which is kind of stupid, but anyway. Concealing or lying about the timing of company loans to executives, large portion of take rates, use of client funds to pay insiders, unnecessary complexity and dodging regulation, manual back-end processes, insider selling 1 billion shares, and several executive resignations. As far as the executive resignations, they were right. Insider selling, yes, but not 1 billion. As far as what else? The use of client funds to pay insiders, no. 1 month later, after that short report, the company responded. The company's audit committee concluded an internal audit with help from independent counsel, an independent global expert service and forensic accounting advisory firm. From the results of this audit, DLocal directly rebutes several, but not all, of the muddy water accusations, such as use of client funds. DLO maintains separate bank accounts for merchants and company cash and has not mingled with this fund. They did not, and it was proven right. It was proven right. If it was proven wrong, then what I'm going to show you next wouldn't be able to happen. So Muddy Waters was speculating that maybe they had no proof. They just, they had no proof about it. And if you go back, for example, and watch this video, which you can find it if you go to stockanalysis.com and type the ticker symbol DLO, and then it'll bring you up the stock. Hit the right here where it says videos, and you'll see that video is the first video. Click on it and watch it. Muddy Waters on camera said that we don't have proof, but we think. So that was pretty stupid.
Now, I will point out that the other possible explanations there are that the disclosures that we relied upon are inaccurate or they're incomplete.
The pre-IPO loans to executives, these loans were repaid prior to the IPO to comply with US legal requirements, so that was fine. And the TV reporting, the DLO had disclosed TPV cohort methodology, including a change in its methodology between its F1 filing and all that stuff. Why in the world would 13F filings be so stable and actually like almost higher than what it was from the Muddy Water report? 13F filings, and if you don't know, are filings that come out from, they're mandatory, every 3 months from investment firms. They file them with the SEC and show every 3 months what holdings they have, or big institutional investors. General Atlantic is one of the biggest investment firms, and one of their biggest positions is in DLocal, a very heavy position that they have. And here we can see that General Atlantic has almost 64 million shares. Morgan Stanley has 4.5 million shares. And just a couple of days ago, DLocal hired one of the best chief financial officers they can find in the entire industry. Carlos Menendez played a critical role for MasterCard in growing their debit and credit business, and he also held big positions, big executive positions with Citigroup. Now let's look at financial data up until 2023. Please keep in mind that the short report against DLO was in 2021. The revenue growth for DLO is insane, guys. This is 2019, and we're going here to 2023. This represents what they might end at 2024, which is obviously already projected to be higher by the company. So insane revenue growth, which is a very big positive. Let's look at the short-term investments, the cash. How much do they have? $651 million right now, and growing every single year since 2019 at an incredibly healthy rate. How about the total debt? Their total debt is just near almost $4 million bucks. That's it. I mean, think about it. They're making about $750, $800 million, right? Is what they're gonna end 2024, maybe higher than that. And the debt is just $4 million bucks, all right? Net income is incredibly healthy and every year growing at massive amounts. How about the free cash flow? Insane. healthy, positive. What about the total assets, guys? At $1.2 billion in every year, just growing massively since 2019. The only negative that I can find, or one of the very few negatives, would be their EPS growth. And I think that's what's basically keeping the stock down. That is something that they definitely need to improve on. In the most recent earnings reports they had, they grew the EPS. Okay, so we started to see a reversal on that. So we saw that their GAAP EPS was 15 cents, which beat by 5 cents. Revenue was also at 171.2 million, which was up 6.3% year over year. Missed what the analysts would have wanted, would have been $31 million more. The total payment volume reached a record $6 billion in second quarter, up 38% year over year compared to $4.4 billion in the second quarter of 2023, and up 14% compared to the $5.3 billion in the first quarter of 2024. Basically, they're doing awesome. They have a total market cap of $2.1 billion, right? So $2.1 billion, but they have debt of not even $4 million. That's it. They have revenue of $753 million last year. I think they're going to finish 800 this year. They have cash on the side of $651 million. Their current assets are $1.2 billion. Net income and free cash flow are massively growing every year. In my personal view, I really believe that DLO is highly undervalued, a company that is on hyper growth mode, and deserves to trade higher. This is just my opinion. I believe that it should trade higher. Analysts give it a low of 8, an average of 13, and a high of 24 is what they give it. And right now, pre-market hours, guys, it is trading at $8.01. So to finish this video, I think that you should not buy this stock at all based on my video at all in any way, shape, or form. If you want to do your own due diligence, your own homework, your own research, and then you conclude that this stock is a good buy for you, then that's fine. But base it on your own research. My personal opinion, which again, you should never listen to my personal opinion at all, but my personal opinion is that this stock is trading undervalued. I think it is a good price. I think it is on hyper growth mode, and I don't know, I think maybe misunderstood. The time frame that I would give myself if I were to buy this stock and trade it would be 1 year, up to 1 year, right? So I'm not buying this to sell it next week or 2 months from now. You know, so up to 1 year. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this company, ticker symbol DLO. And if you want to join us on Discord, the link will be in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I wish you all the best. Take care.